Are you looking for a work-from-home job? If so, there's a world of opportunity awaiting at Amazon, one of the world's leading tech giants. This video is all about exploring the diverse range of work-from-home jobs offered by Amazon. They're not only popular, but they're also flexible, rewarding, and accessible to a wide range of people. Whether you're just starting out in your career, seeking a part-time gig, or a housewife looking to balance work and home life, Amazon has a spot for you. With the right guidance, anyone can find a role that suits their skills, interests, and lifestyle. We'll dive into some of the most sought-after categories of Amazon's remote jobs, those requiring no prior experience, part-time roles, and opportunities specially tailored for housewives. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this journey together. Stay tuned to discover the types of Amazon work-from-home jobs that could be the perfect fit for you. Do you lack professional experience but still want to work from home with Amazon? If that's the case, then you're in the right place. Amazon offers a variety of online roles perfectly suited for individuals just like you, who may not have a vast amount of professional experience under their belts. These roles range from customer service associates to data entry roles, and the best part? Training is provided. Let's delve deeper into these roles. Firstly, as a customer service associate, you'll be at the forefront of Amazon's mission to be Earth's most customer-centric company. Your role would involve assisting customers with their queries and concerns, whether it's about a product, delivery, or any other service. This role does not require any specific experience, but it does require excellent communication skills, a customer-first mindset, and the ability to work in a fast-paced environment. And don't worry, Amazon provides comprehensive training to help you get up to speed. Next up, data entry roles. These positions are ideal for individuals who have a keen eye for detail and are comfortable working with data and numbers. Your responsibilities would include entering, updating, and verifying data in the system. Again, no experience is required. However, a good typing speed and accuracy are crucial for this role. Amazon provides all the necessary training to make sure you're well-versed in their systems and procedures. The beauty of these roles is that they're not just jobs. They're stepping stones. They provide an entry point into the corporate world and a chance to gain valuable experience and skills that can pave the way for future career advancement. Moreover, they offer flexibility, allowing you to work from the comfort of your own home. So, whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking to kickstart their career, these roles provide a fantastic opportunity to join one of the world's leading companies. So, even without experience, Amazon offers opportunities to start a lucrative work-from-home career. Are you seeking a part-time work-from-home role with Amazon? If the answer is yes, then let's delve into the opportunities that Amazon has in store for you. Amazon offers a variety of part-time roles that you can comfortably perform from the comfort of your home. One such role is that of a virtual customer service associate. As a virtual customer service associate, your task would be to assist customers by answering their queries and addressing their concerns. All you need is a reliable internet connection, a quiet workspace, and a commitment to providing top-notch customer service. This role is perfect for those who enjoy problem-solving and have a knack for communication. Another part-time work-from-home job that Amazon offers is content creation. If you have a flair for writing, designing, or creating videos, then this might be the role for you. Content creators at Amazon are responsible for creating engaging and informative content for Amazon's various platforms. This could range from writing product descriptions to designing promotional graphics, or even creating video content for Amazon's social media channels. The beauty of these roles is the flexibility they offer. You can choose your working hours based on your availability and personal commitments, making it ideal for those juggling multiple responsibilities. So, how does one apply for these roles? The application process is straightforward. Simply visit Amazon's job portal, search for the role that suits your skills and preferences, and submit your application. While the specific requirements may vary depending on the role, Amazon typically looks for individuals who are self-motivated, detail-oriented, and possess strong communication skills. It's important to note that working part-time with Amazon requires a certain level of commitment. You'd be expected to adhere to the agreed-upon work hours and consistently deliver high-quality work. However, don't let this deter you. The rewards, both financially and in terms of work-life balance, make it a worthwhile endeavor. These part-time roles offer flexibility and a chance to earn from home. So why wait? Explore the part-time work-from-home opportunities that Amazon has to offer. and embark on a rewarding career journey from the comfort of your home. Are you a housewife seeking a work-from-home role with Amazon? Let's dive into some roles that might be just the right fit for you. First up, we have the virtual customer service role. This role allows you to interact with customers from the comfort of your home, answering queries and resolving issues. It's a great way to use your interpersonal skills while providing a valuable service. Next, consider a role in content creation where your creativity can shine. From writing product descriptions to crafting engaging blog posts, there's a myriad of ways to contribute. Finally, administrative roles are a great fit for those who are organized and detail-oriented. These roles involve tasks such as data entry, scheduling, and correspondence. These roles not only offer the flexibility to balance work and personal responsibilities, but also come with the benefits of working with a global giant like Amazon. Amazon offers a range of opportunities for housewives to earn from home while managing their personal responsibilities. So, as you can see, Amazon offers a variety of work-from-home jobs to suit different needs and lifestyles. Let's take a moment to recap. We delved into the realm of Amazon's online jobs that require no prior experience, breaking down the barriers to entry and opening doors for anyone with the drive to learn and grow. We explored part-time roles, perfect for those seeking balance between work and personal commitments. And we spotlighted jobs specially tailored for housewives, empowering them to build a career from the comfort of their homes and on their terms. The key takeaway here? Amazon's work-from-home roles offer benefits aplenty, from flexibility to growth opportunities. They provide an avenue to earn income without compromising on your lifestyle or personal commitments. So why wait? Start exploring Amazon's work-from-home jobs today and take the first step towards a flexible and rewarding career.